Life. What is life? Living beings. What kind of images do these words bring to your mind? I am sure you are thinking of various things that are particular only to the life or the living beings. In class 7, you studied about respiration, digestion, transportation and so on. But what are these systems meant for? They are the life processes, which means they are those processes which help to maintain life. Okay, fine. What else is there which is only typical of living beings? And that is reproduction. Because it is the reproduction which not only maintains the individual, actually it does not maintain the individual, it helps to maintain the species. Now, if you go back to the word itself, the word re means again and production means to make. So, it is to make again. In simple words, if you are asked to define reproduction, you can say it is production of more of one's own kind. Same type. Dogs will reproduce to produce puppies. Similarly, cats will produce kittens and so on. So, it does not happen that a dog will produce a kitten or a cat will produce a puppy. So, it is the process which helps to produce more of one's own kind. So, what are the key words? Produce and one's own kind. Right, this is what is reproduction. And what is its significance? It helps to maintain species. What will happen if there was no reproduction? Anybody's guess? Very simple. When every individual or every living being has to die. Now, if the living being dies, what happens? At least nothing happens to the species, because of reproduction the person already has offsprings and those offsprings will produce more offsprings. So, the cycle of life and death can continue if there is reproduction, otherwise it will be total loss. We know there are so many species which have become extinct today, like dinosaur or dodo. Why did they disappear? Why did they become extinct? Because probably the death rate had become more than the birth rate. They could not survive, and that is why they became extinct.